Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sweet kale salad. Massage kale with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon until leaves soften. Whisk together 2 tablespoons honey, 3 tablespoons olive oil, and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Toss kale with dressing, then fold in 1/4 cup chopped almonds and 1/4 cup dried cranberries. Chill briefly so flavors meld before serving for best texture and sweetness. Start by washing and thoroughly drying the kale to prevent soggy dressing. Remove tough stems and tear leaves into bite-sized pieces for easy eating. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and squeeze 1 lemon over the leaves, then massage vigorously for about 2 minutes until the kale softens and darkens slightly. This step reduces bitterness and improves texture, making the leaves more enjoyable in a sweet salad without extra cooking. Mix the dressing ingredients in a small bowl: 2 tablespoons honey, 3 tablespoons olive oil, and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Whisk until emulsified and taste, adding more honey or vinegar to suit your preference. Toss the kale with the dressing until well coated, then fold in 1/4 cup chopped almonds and 1/4 cup dried cranberries. Let the salad rest for a few minutes so the flavors marry before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.